Welcome to the course Complete Java, Core Java, JSP, and Servlets. This course will walk you through all the important topics of Core Java as well as Advanced Java. After the completion of this course, you will be in a position to develop Core Java desktop applications as well as dynamic websites. My name is Anand Mahajan, and I have been training students in programming for the last more than 20 years. I have been teaching programming in C, C++, data structure, core Java, advanced Java, Python, JavaScript, etc. I am assisted by my wife Neena Mahajan, who has worked as an assistant professor in the computer science departments of two colleges. I have developed this course for those students who want to take a plunge into the promising career of Java development. After the completion of this course, students will have a great deal of confidence in developing desktop applications in core Java as well as dynamic websites using advanced Java. This course has been designed by leveraging my experience of more than 2 decades in the field of Java. This methodology is going to be extremely beneficial for the Java beginners. All the topics, they have been supplemented by easy to understand coding examples. Ideal students for this course are the ones who are already familiar with programming in C. Only working knowledge of C will suffice. You are free to have a look at the content of this course and 10% free preview. This way, you can assure yourself of the quality and content of this course.